A question is asked oftentimes, how long would it take to get what's called an uncontested divorce? Well, an uncontested divorce means there's no arguments, there's no battles. It basically means you have a property settlement agreement which is signed and executed by both parties. If you have that agreement, in a lot of counties, you can get divorced in one day. Now, you may think that's absurd, but the reality is the document, the property settlement agreement, the matrimonial settlement agreement, or the contract as it's oftenly called, is a document that says we agree to pay support, we agree to split the debt, we agree to split the assets, we agree as far as custody, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So that's really all the legwork. That can be done prior to the filing of the complaint for divorce. So it's not a bad thing if you're working with your spouse or you're friendly to some degree with your spouse to go through various processes to get this document signed, sealed, and delivered. Once you get that document signed, sealed, and delivered, you can go to the court quickly and get what's called an uncontested divorce. So when I say you can do it in one day, in Morris County, New Jersey, for example, you can. You can go into the morning, file the complaint simultaneous with the property settlement agreement, come back in the afternoon, go in front of a judge, and get a judgment of divorce. And it can happen that quickly. What is my experience? Approximately 20 years of doing this kind of work, it doesn't happen often that way, but it can, and I've seen it happen that way. And I've seen people get divorced after 30 days, after 60 days, with children, with assets, with all kinds of issues that have to be dealt with. Take two smart lawyers who are experienced, take two clients who understand that they want to get up, get in, and get out of this nightmare of a situation. You watch how fast you can put together a package and get divorced. Contrary to what you hear, contrary to what you read, the process, you can take care of the process quickly with a good, experienced attorney. Settle your case and move on in the next chapter of your life.